Knowing how to calculate a crochet hat size is essential to make a hat that fits. In this video, you will learn how to calculate a crochet hat size. To crochet a hat, you only need two measurements, namely the hat crown diameter and the hat height. Now let's dive into it. This part of the head is called the crown of the head, while the other part of the head that you're seeing right now, I'm going to call the body of the head. Okay? So just as we divided the head into two parts, we are going to divide our hats into two parts as well, namely the crown of the hat and the body of the hat. To make the crown of the hat, we need to know the hat crown diameter, which is gotten by dividing the head circumference by 3.14. Now let's measure the head circumference. Wrap the tape measure around the widest part of your head towards the middle part of your forehead, a little above your ears. Next, subtract 1 from the measurements. So for this example, the actual head circumference is 22 inches, but after subtracting 1, it gives me 21 inches. Let's go ahead and calculate the hat crown diameter. Remember, hat crown diameter is head circumference divided by 3.14. This gives me 21 inches divided by 3.14, which gives me 6.6 inches. It means that my hat crown diameter is 6.6 inches. So record your own measurements as well. To crochet the rest of the hat, that is the body of the hat, we need to know the hat height. To do that, position your tape measure in one side of your hair and run it down to the other side of your ears and divide the number by 2. Now, take a look at this. Positioning my tape measure in the middle ears gives me 14 inches. And after dividing by 2, I have 7 inches. It means my hat height is 7 inches. In the same vein, if you want your hat or beanie to sit below your ears, then position your tape measure below your ears and take down the measurement and divide by 2. That is all for now, guys. I hope the tips were very helpful. Please let me know in the comment section, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. One more thing, guys. So apart from knowing how to calculate your crochet hat size, there is one more important thing you need to do in order to crochet a hat that fits so perfectly. I'll share the video with you. The link is right there on your screen, or you can check the description box. Catch you later. Bye-bye.